Subtract meaning. It is to take a number or amount away from another number or amount. For example, 4 subtracted from 10 equals 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Second example by using objects and numbers. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 2 ice creams minus 1 ice cream equals 1 ice cream. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 ice creams minus 2 ice creams equals 0. Fourth example by using numbers and fingers. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 fingers minus 3 fingers equals 6 fingers.